If you're trying to watch a video on your iPhone, but the sound is not working, no matter what you do, you can't hear the sound in that video, I'll show you how to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to swipe down from the top right. We're going to do a number of things in your control center here. The first thing that we're going to do, of course, is the volume slider. We're going to turn this all the way up to the very max. Now, this will ensure that the volume is up, but your iPhone could be connected to a third-party device like a speaker or headphones or a car or something like that. So let's toggle off your Bluetooth. So now we've turned off Bluetooth, we've turned the volume all the way up. Now the next thing that we'll do is open up a video. Let's say you want to open up a video in the Photos app here. If you wanted to listen to this, you can see I still can't hear it. The reason for that is because there's a mute button at the very bottom right. So tap on the mute button at the bottom right. And you can see all of a sudden it starts to play music or the sound. If I tap on it again, it mutes that video. Now, let's say you're in a video like a YouTube video like this one, and you want to watch that. Now, if you open it up and start to play it, you should be able to start to hear that sound. Again, if you don't hear that sound, you can swipe down from the top right, make sure that volume slider is all the way up. Now, if either of these don't work for you, the next thing that you'll do is you'll go into the settings of your phone. So open up the settings on your phone. Now you can see towards the bottom here, now midway down, is General. Just tap on General. And now we'll scroll down to the very bottom. You can see Shutdown at the very bottom. Just turn off your phone and restart it. It definitely should work with the sound. You'd be surprised how many times just restarting your phone fixes a lot of bugs and glitches. So just shut it down and restart your phone. After you've done that, if it still doesn't work, the last thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down here in your settings and tapping on the sounds and haptics midway down. Now, from here, you can see ringtones and alerts, and midway down there, it says change with buttons. You want to make sure this is turned on, or if it's already on, turn it off for a bit and then turn it back on. Now, you'll use the physical volume buttons on the side to turn them all the way up and then hop into that video, let's say like this one, and again, make sure the volume slider is all the way up so that you'll be able to listen to the sound on any video.